Today we're going to look at Polo LED lights. Let's see how these can transform your home and spaces with style and efficiency. Remember when fluorescent lights were the norm? Well, times have changed with Polo LED lights. They offer superior brightness, longevity and energy saving. It's say goodbye to high energy bills and hello to a brighter, greener future. Flexible installation, ideal for ceilings or walls. An elegant design, available in sleek bezels with white, black, chrome or brass to suit your decor. Energy efficiency, low consumption with IP rating for moisture resistant areas. Customizable brightness. Choose daylight, neutral white or warm white settings. Advanced features, options for motion sensors and emergency lighting. Whether it's your home or business, Polo LED lights are versatile for any setting, from residential areas to commercial spaces and even outdoors. Customize your Polo LED experience by choosing the perfect bezel color, brightness level, or integrate advanced features like motion sensors for added convenience. Plan the installation. Schedule with us, with our expert team, for seamless installation. At BrightSpark, we're committed to excellence in lighting and customer service. Let's illuminate your life with Polo LED lights. Thank you for watching. I trust that the video has been of help and of interest to you. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to our YouTube video channel and hit that little notification bell so you get told when we release future videos.